Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I want to share on Vim tips, especially. So when you installed gVim for Windows, you might not have had this feature. For example, have installed Vim especially for Windows, and you want to copy some content and paste it. For example, you want to copy this one, Ctrl+C, select all, Ctrl+C. Come here, try to paste Ctrl+V. It doesn't work. It is going into visual mode, visual block mode. So how to get off out of this? In this video, I'm going to show you a solution for that. Copy paste is not working with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V in Windows with Vim. The issue is happening because of your Vim RC file. Vim RC file is located in your users directory. For example, it would be to open any folder, then you can see your users folder, select the user, right? C drive users, then go. There you should see vimrc file. If not, you need to copy it or you need to create it. Multiple ways are there. How to do that? So one way is copying from program files, gVim, find out where Vim is installed. You can find one VIMRC file here, copy it, paste it here, and try to open gVim one more time. Let's see, will it work or not? Still, it's not working. So try to edit this file, right click, edit. You can see a lot of default arguments, isn't it? So what you can do at the beginning, you can try to do vim runtime /win mswin.vim, Microsoft Windows.vim. Save it and then try to relaunch gVim one more time. Try to see if it works or not. Now I try to copy some content, copy and then paste. Now it works. Great, isn't it? So whatever your VIMRC file, you may have your customized VIMRC file where you can set font size, functions, so much you can do. I don't want to disturb whatever your custom settings, but at the first line, write this one line. That would solve your Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V problems. Open the vimrc file in your user folder, and then write this first line. Then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V will work as it is. So within this Vim file also you can copy and then paste it. It works fine, no big deal. Hope this solution is useful to you. In the next video, I'll try to explain how to change the default font. Sometimes it is boring to see the small font. How to change this font, we'll see in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.